नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू धरा यूएसए डायरी। एक नई वीडियो में आप सभी का मैं धरा बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूँ। केम छो बता, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। तो आज मैं आप सबका स्वागत पाव भाजी से कर रही हूँ और बापू की कथा जो गोंडल मेरा बोर्न प्लेस है, जन्म स्थल है, वहाँ पे अभी चल रही है 18 मई से। तो वो साथ साथ में मैं सुनती जा रही हूँ। और आगे आज के वीडियो में आप मेरी डॉटर का मार्शल आर्ट टेक्वांडो कराटे परफॉर्मेंस देखने वाले हो, तो ज़रूर एंड तक बने रहिएगा। अगर नए आए हो चैनल पे, न्यू हो, तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, इट मीन्स अ लॉट। और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन क्लिक कर दीजिए और फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली में शेयर करिए। आपके फीडबैक भी कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखिए।
Okay, let's start. Ready? Hammer fist. Yeah. 1, 2 punch. Yeah. 2. Yeah. Hammer fist. Yeah. 1, 2 punch. Yeah. 2. Yeah. Uppercut. And boom. Front kick. Yeah. Front kick. Yeah. Roundhouse kick. Yeah. Cut kick. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Harder. Yeah. And high jumping. Oh, good job. Yeah. Good job. Front kick. Yeah. Wheel kick. Yeah. Turn. Step behind side kick. Go. Yeah. Oh, nice kick. Kicks are like fully extended now. Getting to be really amazing level now. Ready? Hands up. Left foot forward. Hammer fist strong. Yeah. We're showing you the hammer fist. What do we talk about though? Thumb. Yes. Not here. Here. Okay? If you do it here, it weakens a little bit. Okay? Hammer fist. Yeah. Number 2 punch. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Front kick. Yeah. Front kick. Yeah. Bang bang. Go. Yeah. Bang bang. Yeah. Bang bang. Yeah. Bang bang. Yeah. Faster. Bang bang. Back kick. Turn. Look over. Strong kick. Oh, too low. Do it again. Turn. Go. Good job. Always pick the knee up high. Okay, one more time. Back kick. Good job. Very good. Ready. Roundhouse kick. 3 tornado kick. 1. 2. 3. Good. Ready. Spin and twist all at once. Go. Fast. There you go. And. Good job. High five. Okay. Ready. Cut kick. Bend knees. Jumping cut. Go. Good job. Very good. Yeah. X kick strong. X kick strong. Oh, you missed. Do it again. Go. Good. Set. Spinning wheel kick. Hands up. Spin and twist. Go. All the way turn. Twist your legs. All the way, all the way. Big circle over kick. Wrong foot. Go. Good. Reset. Spin twist fast. Spinning wheel kick. Good. One more time. Spin twist fast. Bang. Higher, higher. Ready again. Spin twist. Go. Good job. One more time. Go fast. Spin twist. Go high. Roundhouse kick. Roundhouse kick. Back kick. Turn. Don't miss. Higher. Roundhouse kick. Roundhouse kick. Harder. Cut kick hard. Roundhouse kick hard. Cut kick fast. Roundhouse kick fast. Repeat. Again. Faster. 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 That's a sparring technique. You do that. Faster. See? You do that 10 times, you score at least 5 points. Yeah. Ready? X kick out. High jump. High jump. High jump. Roundhouse kick again. Back kick, bang. Oh, roundhouse kick. Side away. Back kick. Back kick, back kick. How many point back kick? 4 points. So you do that 1 time, you get 4 points. Roundhouse kick, 1 point. Roundhouse kick, yeah. Higher. Body hard. Harder. Faster. 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 Good job. 괜찮아. 빅네. Drink some water. Oh yeah. Oh, ready? So good. Front.
Yeah.
Cut.
Yeah.
Bend knees. Jumping cut.
Yeah.
That's how you attack. 3 feet away. Go. Bang. Faster. Bang. Roundhouse kick fast. 1, 2. Bang, bang. Roundhouse kick. Roundhouse kick. You know you're good, right? Hammer fist. There you go. Fist. Good. Faster. Even always remember that. Punching, that makes 20% stronger. Not here, okay? Go.
Yeah.
Harder.
Yeah.
Harder.
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah.
Cover body. So why you feel right. 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 Does it hurt?
No, sir.
I know. So no fear, yeah. Good job.
Good job, Navya.
See? Yeah. Ready? Front kick. Wheel kick.
Yeah.
Roundhouse kick.
Yeah.
Back kick. Back. I gotta remember. Turn kick. Anything you turn and kick, 4 points. Set. Spinning wheel kick, spin twist. Fast. Kick.
Yeah.
Roundhouse kick fast. Tornado kick fast. Bang. Jump cut kick. Jump in. Roundhouse kick. 1, 2. And you keep your hands up so good. Good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Girl, last time somehow they made them fit
Yeah.
this side instead of this. So they get it right this time. So a lot of kids are strong. Say yeah. Sometimes even jump if you have to. You wanna jump or you wanna just go Yeah, hard. Ready? Yeah, go. Oh, harder, faster. Go. Oh, hold your hand. Good. Oh, it's a little bendy one. I like that. Hi. Yeah. Strong. Squeeze. Sometimes jump. Fast. Go. Oh, faster. Go. Oh, I like that. Switch. Yeah, switch feet. There you go. Jump like that. Or just go faster. Hey, go. See? Up high, fast. Go. Oh, one more. Hold your hand. I know. Strong. One more time, okay? Hand, hit. See, that's a hard impact. Go. All right, one more time. Strong. Here we go. One more time. He's gonna go this time. Hard. Go. Harder. Ready, set, go.
Good.
Hold your hand. Harder, yeah. Keep, don't get pushed back. Okay. Faster, go. Ow. Yeah, good job. And you, she knows in class. Oh, it's more than half of your height. Oh,
Yeah, so tall trophy.
And that's you holding star all the time, right? Okay. Thank you, Gabriel. Thank you for